Hi everyone, this is Farah and welcome to my channel. Today's video is super exciting. I am doing a Louis Vuitton unboxing. I'm really surprised to be doing this unboxing myself because I recently did a Louis Vuitton unboxing not too long ago. And if you guys watched my video earlier this year of my 2022 wish list, I'll have it linked down below if you haven't watched it. You'll know that I was wanting some luxury pieces this year from Louis Vuitton in the Monogram print. At the beginning of this year, I did not own anything in Monogram, and I was really kind of thinking hard about what bags I wanted to add to my collection, and I knew I wanted to add a Monogram piece. Now, not too long ago, I'll link below the video where I did an unboxing of my Louis Vuitton Alma BB in a Monogram Verdi leather, and so I really wasn't expecting to get any more Louis Vuitton pieces or luxury bags for any time recently, but this opportunity came up and I just could not pass it up. So I'm so excited to share with you guys. So I'll get right into the unboxing. It's a huge box. I have it right down there, and I basically just cut the tape and then I'm gonna do the rest of the unboxing myself with you guys. So let me get this box. It is huge. So here it is. Here is this massive box. As you can see, I ended the tape, and I'll go ahead and get right into it if I can. So it is, as you can see from Fashion File, they always have this black interior. It's a large box, and here we go. So I pretty much opened the tape and I kind of was like, okay, yep, this is the Fashion File package, and then I left it be. So now I'm gonna really get into it. So let me kind of back a little bit. And so if I open this, this is the interior, how it looks. I have a little card from Fashion File that says thank you. And here it is. Now this comes with the box and the dust bag and all that good stuff, so that's what you're seeing inside. So let's see how I can get this out. Oh my goodness, this is literally the biggest box that I've ever gotten. It's pretty heavy and it's kind of exciting. Okay, whew, I got it. All right, here we go. So this is how they packaged it. Used as the new. It's the stickers. Inside the box, I've got the receipt. I've got the Fashion File. This is the nail file. I've got all the confetti in here. So I'll kind of give you guys a little bit of a peek maybe. That's the interior of the box. You can see all the confetti and the receipts and things in there. So I'm going to put this down here out of the way. So this is the actual box where the bag is in. So let me take this off. Alright, so the paper is, and here we go. This is super exciting because if you've seen videos on my channel, you know that I love shopping pre-loved. I just think it's just a smarter way to go, and it's more accessible for me to get bags that I might otherwise not have access to. And so sometimes they come with bags, sometimes they don't. Sometimes they come with the dust bag, sometimes they don't. Sometimes they come with the box, sometimes they don't. But I definitely have never gotten the Louis Vuitton box in such a large size before, all packaged and set. So this is really exciting. So I'm excited to share this. So let's dive right into this. So here is the whole box. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Okay, all right. So this is how it looks on the inside. So the Fashion File dust bag is just kind of laid on top. They didn't actually put the bag in here, but here it is. This is the huge dust bag. And then the bag is right there. Oh, actually I can see the dust bag. So this is the Louis Vuitton dust bag that it came with. It's down here. This is it. So are you guys ready for the bag? Okay, I'm looking at it, just peeking at it, but I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys. So I just kind of have it just like this. So here it is. Oh my goodness. Let me put this box down. Okay. So this is the delightful with the Pivot interior, which is that kind of pink raspberry color interior, which is just gorgeous. It's got the fashion file tag. That's like a certificate of authenticity. Basically, if you cut this tag, you're keeping the bag. Wow. So I have not owned, and I still don't own, a monogram that's in this classic monogram, because the other unboxing that I just did with the Louis Vuitton Alma BB, it was in the vernis leather, so it's a lot more understated. So I don't actually have anything in this classic like dark brown, you know, chocolatey monogram. So this is just beautiful. So let me look at this. This is actually really nice. It's of course pre-loved, so I do see little bits of wear in the corners. So this is the Delightful. So this is like the medium size. They have a PM and a GM. This is like, I know they had an older model, and this is like the newer model, and now they've since been discontinued this bag, and now they have the Graceful in stores, which is a different style altogether, but kind of was like the replacement of this. But I've always loved the Delightful the best. So let me peek in this bag. Okay, they've got stuff with some hair wrap. Put these things down. So here is the inside. That raspberry color is beautiful. And the inside is pretty clean. It's like there is definitely signs of wear on the Shetta. I mean, there's definitely a honey patina to it, which I actually think is gorgeous. When it's so white and bright, the new Louis Vuitton bags, it just makes me super nervous. I actually like the kind of patina, but this is the interior. It's just a nice, beautiful pink interior. It's got one really large zipper pocket. Yep, in the back. It goes all the way down. It's got a D-ring on this side. The top does open and close with a little clasp like this, kind of like the Never Full. And yeah, it's just this big, wide open. And I loved the newer model because it did come with a kind of like a bag charm key holder. So I love that. And this is just the color, like the pea-bone interior. Ever since I've seen that, ever since I've seen the Delightful and then I saw it with the pea-bone interior, it's always been like a dream bag of mine. If you guys know me and you know from my channel, I just love like slouchy bags, and the slouch on the Delightful I think is like no other. I've always, you know, I've loved and admired from afar before the Galleria, the Louis Vuitton Galleria, the artsy, the graceful, but I've always thought they all end up looking a little bit stiff or a little bit round. And I really wanted like more of that hobo casual, just really casual style, because I thought, you know, if I'm going to do the LV print, I want to do it in a way that's not so like serious. I don't know, and I've just always loved this bag. So here it is. What do you guys think? I feel like I just really want to now put my stuff in there and check it out and see, you know, how it fits everything. But I'm loving the slouch because it is, you know, pre-loved. It's already kind of got a nice slouch. Like I like that it's not right underneath the armpits. There is that, you know, nice slouch, but it seems like it's a little bit easy to get in and out of. Yeah, I'm excited. So here it is. I am gonna definitely, you know, so far, first impressions, I'm loving it. It's really nice. The canvas is very soft and it kind of collapses, but in a nice way. So yeah, I'm excited. And then this interior is just getting me. Every time I'm looking at how bright and beautiful that is, it's just that little bit that's just gonna pop out from time to time. I love, like, you know, a lot of my bags, like the Damira Bean Speedy with the red interior, my Lady Dior with the red interior. I just love when bags have like a pop of color inside. I just think it's so gorgeous. So this just really is just so nice. The other combination, like the regular one, is just like the beige interior, which I just felt like would just get so dirty. And I don't know, I just wanted like a pop of color fun. And I just really love this interior color, which is what really got me. So when this popped up on Fashion File, I was like, you know, I'm just gonna go for it, and I did. And so yeah, first impressions, I love it. I really love it. I'm just gonna kind of try it out and see, you know, how things fit. But yeah, super exciting. Very, very exciting. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Louis Vuitton unboxing. Let me know what you guys think. If you own this bag or if you've owned it before in the past, the Delightful, please let me know your thoughts. As I was mentioning, I have been between the Galleria, the Louis Vuitton Artsy, and the Louis Vuitton Graceful and Delightful. So now those are the four: Artsy, Galleria, Delightful, and Graceful. So if you've had any of those bags before, or if you've had, more than those bags, like, of the different categories, which one was your favorite and why? I would love to know that, because I always feel like those four bags have been very, the look of them are slightly similar. I know they're really different, but especially like the Artsy and the Galleria, I really think that those are a little bit, have a different look to it, but also kind of similar. So let me know if you guys have those. I would love to hear your thoughts on which one you like. At least when I researched it on my own and looking at the differences, I kind of thought the Delightful would be the one that would fit me the most, and I just have to try it on. But I would love to know kind of if you've had it before, what you guys have thought. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you love luxury handbag unboxing videos, fashion videos, just handbag videos in general, then you will love my channel. So I would love it if you would consider subscribing. Please give this video a thumbs up if you love what you saw, and I would love to see you in my next video. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye!